said Sojanowski. That is not relevant to the violation of the order of protection hearing that is on for preliminary hearing here.
I don't think much to be relevant. I really don't see it in this situation. I'm going to sustain the objection.
Nonetheless, she was here on the criminal allegation.
She was, yes.
Where you would be happy on.
That's correct.
Is that fair?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Shook was present. Is your testimony?
Yes. For that court,
And
yes.
it's your testimony that he was asked to leave.
Yes,
It's your testimony he was asked to leave by Judge Campbell.
that's correct.
And this occurrence occurred after you had gotten an order of protection against Mr. Shook.
Yes, sir.
And that order of protection, I'll give it to Judge Campbell. That order of protection, what does that order of protection, if you know, order Mr. Shook to do or not to do?
I do not know the whole details. I've read it. I do know that it states that he is not have any contact or be within 1,000 foot of me for any reason. He is not to possess any firearms. He is not to be around or in my workplace without a professional reason. Just some of the details. I don't know the entire order of protection off the top of my head.
I believe the court's been asked to take judicial notice, and Your Honor, I would ask the court to take judicial notice that the order of protection does not lay 1,000 feet or 1,000-yard boundary on the actual order of protection. Is that some confusion on your part?
Possibly. I just know he wasn't supposed to be around or have any contact with.
Can we pull the order of protection? I know that it exists, but I don't. Those things have multiple check boxes on them, and I don't recall which boxes are checked on this.
Just in consideration of the police time officer's background.
Thank you.
What's your testimony, Mr. Shook was asked to leave anyway?
That's correct.
Did he confront you on that day?
No, he did not.
Did he talk to you on that day?
No, he did not.
Did he frighten you on that day?
Him being in my presence wasn't comfortable for me.
Your law correct?
That's correct. That doesn't mean that I have to be subject to stuff in my personal life.
I didn't say that. This wasn't your personal life being for that day, was it?
No, that wasn't.
And so, as part of your personal life, Mr. Shook, as well as all these other individuals in this courtroom is open to the public, correct?
To the extension of the order of protection out against a person.
Asking about that. This courtroom is open to the public.
It is.
And so Mr. Shook was present in this courtroom on that day and was asked to leave.
That's correct.
And there was no action, Mr. Testimony. I think we can agree there was no action taken by Mr. Shook on that day to cause you to be impaired. On
Your Honor,
that day.
objection asked and answered. Counsel has already asked the witness if he had any reason to be in fear, and the witness responded he was not comfortable being in the same room with him.
Overrule objection. You can ask a question.
You can ask the question.
Can you repeat the question?
Were you in fear on that day?
I was uncomfortable on that day being around somebody who put me in fear. Yes, sir.
You're uncomfortable,
That's correct.
but you weren't in fear.
I was uncomfortable being with somebody who had put me in fear on that day.
Okay,
Yes.
so yes or no question. Were you in fear on that day?
Sir, I've answered your question.
You said you were uncomfortable.
I am uncomfortable from somebody who has put me in fear.
Did you ask the court to excuse him?
I do not recall if I asked, but the court just noticed that he was there and asked him.
Did you ask any bailiff or anybody else in the courtroom on that day to excuse him? Sure.
I don't recall if I did, but the judge noticed it.
What was the time distance between the date that Mr. Shook was asked to leave this courtroom and when you appeared in front of Chancellor Astor? You know that?
I'm not for sure the time frame.
It's true that you appeared in front of Chancellor Astor, correct?
That is correct.
And you appeared in front of her on an order of protection, is that correct?
That's correct.
And Mr. Shook wasn't the petitioner on that one.
No, he was not.
It was his fiancée or this female that we spoke about.
That's correct.
And you were there as the respondent.
That's correct.
In other words, she was trying to get an order of protection against him.
Yes, sir.
And on that particular day, did you see Mr. Shook?
I did.
Did he make any gestures towards you?
No, he did not.
Did he speak to you?
No, he did not.
Any type of smoke signals to you?
No, he did not.
Did he do anything to place you in fear on that day?
It made me uncomfortable being in the room, given that he had placed me in fear before that led to the order of protection.
There's no question that you have been put in fear.
Okay.
I'm asking about that. Did he do anything on that day?
An action, no. The presence, yes.
So if you pass each other at the mall, are you afraid of him today?
I'm not comfortable being sitting here with him. No.
Why?
Because of things that he has done, which is why I went and got an order of protection against him.
I understand what you're saying. You testified earlier, and you didn't speak about anything that he's done other than sit in a car, follow you to a store that you walked out of, and some video posting that his fiance or his wife has been streaming of. What else has he done to you?
He has called the cops. He has tried to get me arrested for something that I didn't do. He is used in that video of the call to 911, claiming that he had a gun, and is he allowed to protect himself, and that he knew it was me for sure, and is he allowed to shoot somebody if they do it again.
So he's asking a question in this video.
He is asking a question in the video to the law enforcement.
It's not against the law,
It is not,
not against
unless you got an order of protection.
It's not against the, did you have one at that point in time?
He said he did. He said he went back in the house to get it.
No, I'm not talking about that. Was there an order of protection at that point?
No, there was not.
So absent being a convicted felon or something, that's not unlawful?
No, absolutely not.
It's not unlawful to protect yourself.
It is not.
And it's not unlawful to protect yourself against anybody, law enforcement or not, that you feel like it enters your property unlawfully.
Absolutely not.
You don't think there's anything in that order of protection that prohibited Mr. Shook from appearing in a courtroom open to the public, constitutionally protected on your order of protection? Do you know whether that he is allowed to do those things?
The only thing it states in the order of protection is he's not to be around me or have any contact with me, which would limit him from being there if he wasn't subpoenaed to the court.
Do you have to be subpoenaed to go as a witness?
You do not?
So you can be a witness, you don't have to be subpoenaed.
Absolutely.
I was gonna call you a witness today if they did.
Objection,
I didn't
counsel
subpoena.
testifying.
Please ask questions of the witness.
So it's not true that you have to be subpoenaed to be an active witness in a courtroom, is that fair?
Correct.
And again, on this particular day, Mr. Shook never took any actions toward you or spoke to you or made any direct or indirect contact with you.
No.
Objection has been answered repeatedly.
Overrules.
Did you talk to the chancellor that day about Mr. Shook?
You're referring to Miss Asbury?
Miss Asbury,
When I was on the stand, yes, I did.
about Mr. Shook?
Yes, there was questions brought up about him. Yes.
So as part of this order of protection, Mr. Shook was nonetheless, for lack of better word, irrelevant.
Objection vague and ambiguous.
Do you know during this order of protection hearing, that the allegations that this female has made against you, whether or not Mr. Shook was present or
I don't
Objection
understand
calls
this
for
very well.
speculation.
if you know, is what I'm asking. You know what the allegations were of this female against you?
An objection relevant.
While we're here today.
Yeah, I'm gonna rule that. I mean, a lot of what we heard is irrelevant. Fear is not an element of this offense. But what happened in that courtroom is relevant. So I will overrule objection.
Do you know what those allegations were that brought you into Chancellor Asbury's courtroom on that day?
Yes,
And you indicated that Mr. Shook's name was mentioned in the courtroom.
that's correct. That's
Or
correct.
at hearing, correct?
We did.
Was he escorted out of that courtroom before he got an opportunity to testify?
He was.
So he wasn't able to testify because he was.
No, he was. The judge My attorney had brought up the order of protection. The judge ordered the bailiff to place him in custody, step him outside, and then she called him back in.
So we came back in and handcuffed.
Yes.
Do you know if on the day that Mr. Shook was asked to leave the courtroom on this female criminal allegations, are you confident that you had been granted an order of protection before that day?
For hers. Is that correct? The criminal charge is on her.
When he was asked to leave, you're confident that that date was subsequent to the date that you already had an order of protection against Mr. Shook?
Yes, which is why Judge Jones asked him to leave too.
Do you know what that date was?
I do not.
It would show up on the document.
It should be.
Redirect.
Your Honor, can I see a copy of the order of protection?
See the original.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Officer Mahar, when you saw the video, where the defendant is talking about having a gun and being allowed to shoot somebody, how did you take that?
As a threat that if anybody came back on his property or if he seen somebody, that he was getting permission from law enforcement to shoot somebody.
Did it cause you concern that this was then published on the World Wide Web?
Yes, it did.
Why?
For the fact of they're making it clear that if you want to shoot somebody, that you say done something, but it's okay to do.
And then you talked about being accused of having committed crimes and Mr. Shook and Ms. Soljanowski trying to get you arrested. Why was that concerning to you?
Because they're not only threatening my livelihood as a family, but they're trying to take my job from me.
Wait a 1 second, Your Honor. I would ask the court to take judicial notice that Melissa Soljanowski's preliminary hearing was heard on February 1st of 2024. And that's in case number 2023-CR-3453.
So noted.
Right now, 1 second, Your Honor. Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes.
Officer Mahar, is that your signature?
Yes, it is.
Did you file the petition on January 31st of 2024? And then that ex parte order was granted on January 31st, 2024? Okay. And then the hearing where the final order was granted. Let's see which